Once again, students, we are in session 3 of our unit 1. Session 3 deals with the general objectives for the core mathematics syllabus. And at the end of this session, you should be able to identify the general objectives of the core mathematics syllabus. We said the general objectives are normally specific as compared to the aims. The aims are broader goals, and the general objectives, are specific towards instructional periods. So objectives serves as a building or steps towards achieving a goal, and And every instructional period needs to have a specific goal, and these specific goals are what we are terming them as the objectives. So let's come to our objectives. One of the objectives for learning the core mathematics syllabus is to develop computational skills or computation skills by using suitable methods to perform calculation. Then 2, to recall, apply, interpret mathematical knowledge in the context of everyday situation. Now 3 is to develop the ability to translate word problems into mathematical language and solve them with related mathematical knowledge. One of the problems that we have in mathematics is our word problems, and it cuts across all levels. And sometimes it's a pity to say that sometimes some teachers even find it difficult in translating word problems into mathematical language, and that's why we are not able to apply the mathematics that we learn in our daily lives. So it's better to help our students to be able to translate word problems into real life or mathematical language, so that they can apply real life situation or the mathematics that they are learning to real life situation. And this will help us to solve so many problems in the society. Other than that, it will be difficult for our society to move on, and it will be very difficult for our students to appreciate the mathematics that we are all learning or we are all engaged in. Now, number 4, the fourth objective is to organize, interpret, and present information accurately in written, graphical, and diagrammatic forms. When the data is collected, how do you present the data into organized form? How do you present the data into graphical form? How do you present the data into diagrammatic form? So these are the reasons why we need to learn our mathematics and learn it very well. The 5th objective is to use mathematical and other instruments to measure and construct figures to an acceptable degree of accuracy. And the next one is to develop precise, logical, and abstract thinking. Abstract thinking. We learn the mathematics abstract. Most people say mathematics abstract. So if mathematics abstract, how do you develop precise, logical, and abstract thinking? All these things can be learned when we go through our syllabus very well. To understand or to analyze problems, select a suitable strategy, and appreciate techniques to obtain its situation. Analyze the problem, select suitable strategies, and appreciate techniques to obtain the solution to the problem. Number 8, estimate, approximate, and work to degree of accuracy. Appreciate to the context. 9, organize and use spatial relationship in 2 or 3 dimensions, particularly in solving problems. 10, respond orally to questions about mathematics, discuss mathematical ideas, and carry out mental computation. Last but one says to carry out practical and investigational works and undertake extended piece of work. Carry out practical and investigational works and undertake external piece of work. Last but not the least, use the calculator to enhance understanding of numerical computation and solve real-life problems. So, in this session, we learn about the general objectives. And we said these general objectives are needed to obtain the aims of the core mathematics syllabus. Don't forget one thing that we said the general objectives are broader. So the aims are broader and the general objectives are specific in obtaining or attaining the aims. So there are specific instructions in the classroom. Every lesson or every instructional lesson period should come with these objectives in order to be able to attain the aims. When we get the aims there, we can now say that our rationale is intact.